Today we're gonna see how to make blush cat eye nails. This is an interesting one because I got sick. That's the thing. I got sick during these holidays. But it's 2025. Happy New Year, everyone. And I'd like to give you some knowledge and some ways to help you to use either our products or even the competition. And also expose some sort of knowledge of how to do yourself if you're interested in that, or even give you ideas to other nail technicians. This is the final result. This is the original channel. If you want to look for the products, you can find them on the description of the original video. I'll put on the description of this one as well, so you can support the original content creator. But yeah, here is the video. So first, make everything clean. Put a paper towel on the bottom. Use the cuticle remover to clean your cuticles. That will help to make your work. Use a metal scraper to scrape that off. Clean the edges as well, if you can. And then you file the top. That's basically any nail that you wanna do is a good idea to file the top. Then you clean, make sure that everything is neat, as this example here. And then you use a dehydrator, something to remove the water that we have on our nails. This helps to make the extensions or even nail gel polish stay longer. That's what she's doing here. Then you use a base gel to create some protections for your nails, Also helps you stay for longer. And then you use the curing. And now, this is an interesting one. Find the ones that fit your size. What she's going to do is she's going to use a builder to create the nail out of her own, but that will be an extension. Once she finds the perfect size, she's going to use the builder gel, put it on the back of those nails there, and she's going to press on her own nail. Once that's cured, that will create a fake nail extension that's already glued on your own nail. It's kind of similar to the press on. It's just a different technique. And you are actually leaving a product there. I've seen variations of that, like using stickers, etc. But this is the technique that she's using there. So in theory, any other builder gel that you're familiar with can work as well. This is what happens after curing. You remove, and the extension of the builder gel is gonna stay on your nail. Looks lovely. Okay, now she's going to cut the nails to fit the shape that she wants, as you are seeing here. One thing to keep in mind, if it's eventually break, like this case here, you just cut it again, a little bit shorter, until you reach the size that you want, and it doesn't break. Lovely. This is how it should be. Then you file the edges to make the shape that you want. You can make like coffin if you don't file all the way, or you can make like an oval shape. Eventually on the channel I'll make a video about the types of nails. Let me know in the description if you would like something like that. But in this case she made an oval one. And this influencer actually used something interesting here. She actually filed the edges as well using this sticker with a file and a metal tool. She bought it in books, so you can find those as well. If you're interested in something like that, let me know. I'll probably arrange that on our store as well. And you can see she's just going for the edges just to make sure that everything's filed properly. So you have some sort of some precision work. It looks neat. Look at that. And then you put the base gel. Let me see here. Looks good already. So here. Now a detail that she's doing is she's cleaning the bottom there, and she's going to put tap gel as well. This creates some sort of bubbly effect on the tip of your nails if you are interested in that. But in this tutorial we are following that. You see here the effect. And now is the cat eye here, polish. This one is a video. This video is from 7 years ago, so I kinda put getting that from the ashes. And the reason why I bring that up is that then the trends they becoming cycle. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna see some nails like this still not in today's trends. As you can see, this pink one is kind of really popular. And now she's putting out a top coat just to make sure that the polish will stay there, protected, and stay longer. Now she's going to use the blush. This is the differential of this tutorial. She's actually using some makeup to create this blushy effect on the top, so you can see it's a little bit more pink than normal. So she's just tapping the brush, and you can see there is like an ombre effect. Nowadays you can achieve that effect with other techniques as well. I'll see if I'll bring those on the channel. But this one we are using just makeup and blush. Looks neat. And then another layer of a builder gel. Curing. And now it comes the iron glittery that we can use for the gel. Here she's mixing herself. But nowadays we have products that they come together. Our company, we are actually looking at those right now, so you can have that effect without doing all this chemistry part, you know. So here is glittery, silvery effect. She's just putting on top there, so you can see there. It's really glittery. And the cool thing about the magnetic polish, or the also known as cat eye, is that you can control the shape of that glitter. You see, it's kind of moving around, so she's changing where actually the glitter will stay, and she's creating some interesting shapes out of it, as you see here. Nowadays there are a lot of magnetic pens that has different shapes, so you can actually make flowers, you can make like stars, space. We are looking at some products right now to cover that, and then all you do is curing. And then here she's using another top gel. If I were her, I would probably apply the top gel only once at the end. I don't know Korea, so no one in this description they can say, but I don't see the reason why she is applying the base and top several times. She's making out several layers. But it's just an optimization that you can do. Once it's done, it's a good idea to use a cuticle oil. That helps a lot. Even if you're not using any nail products, it's a good idea to put a cuticle oil, especially if you're living in a place like me, Canada, that's super dry. That's a good idea. This is the final result.